Tahira Hussain Mihi. I'm from Solving English. Happy Eid Mubarak. This is Salma from Solving English. Happy Eid al-Fitr. This is Alim Islam. I'm from Solving English. Happy Eid al-Fitr Mubarak. This is Saiba Islam Anushka from Solving English. Eid Mubarak.
This is Tamir from Solving English. Eid Mubarak.
This is Labib from Solving English. Happy Eid al-Fitr.
This is Sarah from Solving English. Happy Eid al-Fitr.
I'm Habib from Solving English. Happy Eid Mubarak.
This is Aisha from Solving English. Happy Eid Mubarak. This is Khadija from Solving English. Eid Mubarak. From Solving English. Eid Mubarak. My name is Tabassum from Solving English. Eid Mubarak. This is Ismail from Solving English. Eid Mubarak. This is Selma from Solving English. Eid Mubarak. This is Raj from Solving English. Eid Mubarak. This is Mariam from Solving English. Eid Mubarak.
This is Arman from Solving English. Eid Mubarak.
This is Nusrat from Solving English. Eid Mubarak.
This is Abdul Islam from Solving English. Eid Mubarak.
Hi, this is Pushpita Prachi from Solving English. Happy Eid al-Fitr Mubarak.
This is Mariam Akhtar from Solving English. Eid al-Fitr Mubarak.